Hello everyone, my name is Mỹ Quỳnh and I'm a member of this group. My student ID is 722K0051.
Hi, my name is Quý. My student ID is 722K0056.
Hi, I'm Trúc Linh and my student ID is 722K0057.
Hey everyone, my name is Phung Zawi and my student ID is 722K0061.
Hello you guys, I'm Phan Gia Khánh and my student ID will be displayed here.
Let's start with some general information about transaction processing system. A transaction processing system, TPS, is a type of data management information processing software. TPS is the backbone for processing and managing a high volume of transactions efficiently and accurately. As seen from the diagram above, the transaction processing system is used on the operational management level, and its main purpose is to record day-to-day business transactions of the organization. The main objective of the transaction processing system is to answer routine questions. For example, how many products that we sell today? How much inventory do we have at hand? TPS has two core functions, which are data management and transaction processing. With data management, TPS efficiently collects, stores, and retrieves transaction data. This data serves as a vital record of business activity and is used for various purposes like financial reporting, inventory management, and customer relationship management. With transaction processing, the primary functions of TPS is to handle core business transactions. There are some examples of this function include payroll system, stock control system, and airline booking system. There are two main types of TPS. First is batch processing. Batch processing is a paradigm that allows high-volume data to be processed at once. It is suitable for situations where immediate response isn't critical, but accuracy and efficiency are important. For example, we could look at a payroll processing system. The times that employees clock in and clock out need to be recorded and processed at the end of the period in order to calculate if there are any penalties that consequently need to be deducted from the salary. And this type has advantages and disadvantages. With advantages, it's lower system requirement, improved efficiency, and cost-effective. With disadvantage, it's delay update, data latency, and potential for errors. And the second type of TPS is real-time processing. Real-time data processing, on the other hand, involves constant input, processing, and output of the retrieved data from the source in a matter of milliseconds. This basically means that the data is constantly updated to the organizations and it requires the system to have a high processing speed in order to meet the needs of the potential customer inquiries. For examples of this could be seen that when we're booking a hotel, the system will need to give the latest data about the hotel vacancy in order to avoid customer booking the same space or causing confusion to both the business and the customer. The advantage of this type is improved customer satisfaction, enhanced data accuracy, and better inventory control. On the other hand, its higher system requirement, security concern, and potential for system overload. And at present, with the seeming trend of everything going digital and online, a new TPS has evolved to cater to the demand, called the Online Transaction Processing System. It is designed for executing online database transactions. These types of systems are typically built or service workers or customer self-service portals.
Move to part 5. There are 4 components of a TPS. The first one is the inputs. Any number of transactions, including invoice, bills, coupons, and other types of orders like a purchase order, may be treated as inputs in a TPS, and type of order entry can be considered input data. The next is the outputs. A TPS can generate a variety of use case-specific outputs ranging from cash flow records to receipts, and it can be utilized for record keeping, data analysis, tax reporting, and other after-sale business purpose. And the next is the processing system. The processing system of a TPS with the inputs completes any data modifications of updates and creates a useful output such as confirmation of sale and inventory record. The next is the storage. While storage may in some cases refer to physical data storage hardware, on average, TPS will also create easily navigable directories for storing both input and output data, typically in some form of database. For the transaction processing system features, the goal of any transaction processing system is to enable smooth business transactions. To this end, a viable TPS should offer the following critical features. The control access is a critical component of any business's information processing system. A robust TPS should provide secure control access for all the authorized users and administrators. The connection with external environment. By definition, a TPS is designed to connect seamlessly with various external systems to distribute and receive information between customers, merchants, suppliers, and, where applicable, banks and creditors. For real-time TPS, fast response times are considered table stakes for businesses seeking to provide quick and easy transactions for the customers. For the inflexibility, although the TPS might be customizable for suit different organizational demands, it is important for a TPS to also provide a rigid, replicable experience so that all transactions are processed similarly despite variables like time, update, location, user, or customer. For the reliability, the stability and security are critical components. The transaction data must be secure without error, ensuring that source documents are regularly backed up and available for validation. And the inter-system distribution. If a company's TPS does not operate in a vacuum and must be able to distribute data and instructions with other internal information systems, such as sales processing system or ledger system. Before we move to the swim lane diagram, we should know that why the businesses use a TPS. In today's fast-paced business world, efficiency and accuracy are paramount. The transaction processing systems have become essential tools for organizations of all sizes, streamlining operations and empowering data-driven decision-making. Here is the close look at the compelling reasons why businesses should leverage the power of a TPS. Enhance efficiency and productivity, improve data management and decision-making, and increase customer satisfaction.
The process of a vending machine starts with displaying the balance. Usually, when customers reach to the vending machine, its default screen is the balance amount in the machine right now. Then next, customers select the product by inserting the product's code or number. The machine will right away calculate the balance and show up with the product confirmation step. There are two possible results in this step. If customer click exit, that means this customer say no. They will reject the confirmation and will go back to the user selection step. But if customers choose OK, they will go to the payment method selection process. There are total 4 methods for customer to choose, but our group will only mention 2 most common methods out of 4 that are cash and clear pay. For paying cash, customer needs to insert the cash at the specified cash lots. Then the machine will automatically display the balance verification. If customer puts in the machine enough money, the machine will dispense the selected products. But if it fails in this step, customer will go back to payment method verification step in order to choose to put more or select another payment method. And that is for cash payment. The QR code is kind of complicated procedure because there are some more parties joined together. Let's move to the sub-process of QR code. When customer choose a QR code payment, the machine will display a code on its screen. The customer job is open the transaction app, the bank, scan the code, and enter the amount of money. The clear payment system will be sent a payment notification. It will encode the notification and show the transaction verification on customer's bank app. Does customer disagree with the transaction? That means customer fails in payment and exit the transaction. But if they agree with the verification, the balance will be deducted. The bank will recalculate the customer's balance and send a transaction with remaining balance to the customer and then automatically record the transaction. That's on the customer side. On the store or the owner of the vending machine's side will increase the account balance when the customer has deducted the specified amount of money on their phone. Next, the banking system will calculate the balance, send the balance notification, and when the payment is successful, it will record the transaction. And the machine will dispense the product and record the transaction in the general system. But if the customer fails in paying, they will again back to the payment method selection point.